Hello, hello. It is day 6. Almost the final day. I may be dying a little bit, but I'll get through this. Okay. Hello, hello. Oh, I have it. It is day 6. Okay, that's all. Now let's adjust this. Oh, I didn't set it up. Bad streamer. Pop out the window. Copy the URL. Slap it into thin chat, I think I called it. There's a thicker one I used before. Summoning. Yep, there it is. Yeah, OBS did not want to start this morning. Probably need to reset my computer or something. But let me adjust this. So today is definitely going to be all about... Oh, I could even go a little more to the left. That is workable. Let me move myself. There we go. Yep. Okay. I did not get much sleep last night. It was interesting. Now then, so I want to work on inventory today. So first off, I am going to go into equipment and begin. Let me close a few of these. Move into equipment, and I am going to revamp it just a bit. Equipment is a special thing, so let's keep inventory panel up because I'm going to be using that. So where are you, equipment? Here. Now, I'm probably going to have to make a random in here. Bar random equals random. You know, let's just steal it from game. Room. There you are. If I was really smart, I'd make a random module and just have that set up on start. So I was going into here. Equipment. Random dot randomize. Will you be happy with that, or will you yell at me? Nope, you'll yell at me. Hopefully this works out. So we'll have game when it starts up and hits ready. There we go. Back over here. So we got the randomizer. I want to make... let's do a few things. First off, let's make some piddly things. Enum. Weapon. Prefix. Where did I make enums? I don't remember now. Doesn't matter. I can Google. Go.enum. Enum is... Okay, you just make a fake list after it, which is just weird. I do not like that syntax. But back here. Returning damage plus defense plus knockback teleporting and enum suffix fireball teleport fireball teleport. What are some good other ones? Leap or step, something that just gets you to move. So these are all passives, actives. Block. Anything else I want to think of? Okay, and I'm going to start making stuff that allows for weapons to be created, and then going to replace everything I have. So another thing I want to have is drop rate. Drop rate works on a 0 equals random dot rand equals I'm going to use Python. Random 0 drop rate. So a -1 is no drop. So a 0 is always drop, 1 is 50% chance, 2, so and so on. It's 1 out of the number. Or 1 out of the number given plus 1. So first off, make the basic sword. Basic sword. Sword base, I'll call it. Make sword base. Out equals new, or equipment.new. Out.name. Or role equals sword, or 6. Out dot equipment type equals, actually I should make that an enum as well. Enum equipment type weapon accessory armor scroll. They'll all be scrolls. So update, I think I just go like that. Equipment type dot weapon. Okay, go back into inventory because this is where things matter. Sword. Actually, I don't think I've implemented anything that cares. So I have free reign. Bar out equals equipment type dot sword or dot weapon turnout. Bunk. Make staff base bar out equals equipment type dot new out.roll equals 4. I set some of these up. Staff, yeah, staff is 4. Oh, I'm losing. Okay, nope. I need equipment, not equipment type. Okay, so not that name. Board. Name equals stored. And flavor text out up. The standard staff out dot flavor text equals a hefty piece of wood, and out dot drop rate equals, so I'll say 1 out of 6. You know what? I'm just going to go from 1 to no drop weight. 1 is always there, so I won't get too confused. Can increase or decrease these later, but 1 out of 6 seems like it keeps everything from not being overflowing everywhere. I think I had X somewhere else. And X slow thing or blind green thing. Yeah, you had a hand X. Oops. A wood chopping tool, a tool for chopping wood, barely fit for combat. Sure. So we go over here, and weapon will equal equipment.make. So we'll set that no for a second. So that makes the base. Oops. There we go. Conk roll weapon attachments or roll weapon. Excuse me 1 second. Oh no, I've been muted. Oh no. Okay, well, I'll be right back. Well, I wonder how long I've been muted. Either way, it doesn't matter. So I am back, and just to reiterate, I am working on trying to get equipment into the game because it is time. So I have just gone through and I have made classes after some frustration. I should make a club on what current equipment enemies have, because they will have a chance to drop it. Club should be... So we have that down there, and then we have like a thick over here, and it should be slightly offset. Okay. Something like that. Make it a little uniform over here. 2 gives it a roundness, 1 gives it a sharpness. So let's move that over. And they're just going to be iconic, because I think I'm going to then, you know, color code them by drop type, as every good thing does. Outline. So we have that. And I think these will be our basic types of weapons. Sword, axe, staff, shiv, spear, club. I think that covers everything, and then I can have some other things over here. But I think there will be 4 tiers of this. There will be have prefix only, have suffix only, and then have both. Suffix is basically magical equipment, so that gets blue. And I guess the standard is make these purple for having both. So magical. And then green for just having prefix. Prefix isn't bad in and of itself. And I am going to have some sort of scroll that will basically roll magic on there. So if you have a common item, that's good, because you can then use the scroll. You can put in your hand and you'll use the scroll, then anything on you might be equipped. Or enchanted. Also possibly have a transmute that will change a common piece of equipment into something else. So useful to have a common to, like, make something else out of. Anyways. So we have that. You know what? Since I have saved... let's export this again. Yes. Okay. Don't save. Equip, or just have this pop up, and there we go. Now then, we also have Actually, you know, I should have, I'll make an enum. It is the proper thing to do. So every single weapon type will have an enum associated with it, so I can tell exactly what sort of. I'll make it called var subtype equals null. Var weapon subtype is equal to sword, axe, spear, club, shiv, staff. And I think that covers it. Does that cover it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yep, that covers it. Oh, enum. Not... okay. Okay, you're happy with that. Good, good. Enums are useful. I think they could be... because that's weird syntax. That syntax doesn't make sense. You don't set anything, you don't do anything. Either way. So that will be used to show the sprite. Speaking of which... first, let's set these. Sword. Subtype equals equip, or dot sword. Staff. Axe. Club. Shiv. Sword. Spear. Okay, get to that later. Let's get back to level, or no, to game. Game will now have a sprite node, an equipment node that is underneath that, so that characters can stand on top of that. Node 2D, create, which also means, unfortunately, equipment will have to know where it is. So, whoops. For map placement, var square x equals 0, var square y. I should be using vectors, but at this point I am not using vectors in all the classes, so it'd be weird to have a class that has a vector, which will cause me to either treat it as not having a vector, premium caffeine, or to treat it other classes as having vectors. I want to not mix myself up as much as possible. I do not have the brain capacity left anymore. Okay, we're going to need to make an equipment object, which is going to be okay. Yeah, I might... anyways. I'm trying to think. Always seem bad to me. So this is going to be a 2D item. It is going to have a sprite 2D. It is going to be equipment icon. It is going to have a script. Let me check to see what entity does on its setup, because I think this is also going to need to have the weird... Yeah. Okay. Okay, so it's going to need to have the function of update sprite on equipment icon and the ready. Why do you want to be updated? What did I mess up? Anyways, okay. So this is going to be the scene folder. Save that in there. Entity didn't... Okay, it was just being weird. I don't like that. So this will have the var square x equals 0. And this will have the var square y equals 0. So I don't need to have that in the actual equipment thing. Praise be. Room. However, it will have the interesting thing of var equipment equals null. And I will add a texture of tile map. Tile map. Oh no, what did it do? Did I move that into a different... Oh, come on. I moved that into another folder. Where is it? It shouldn't be in an... Okay. Oh, so... He couldn't undo it, because it wasn't actually done in the game. Whatever. Okay, so we have equipment. Let me actually finish up on the equipment sheet some stand-ins, so it actually makes the damn tiles, instead of me having to go back in there. Oh no, I gotta click 3 of these items. Ooh, now I can actually use them. So back in here, we'll just make... so... Make a simple shirt sort of thing. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Copy that, but add a helmet on it. And I guess a shield type thing. Okay. And a ring. The epitome of accessory. Okay. Go over all these. Hold the magic shift button. I could fix some, well, probably not, but they'll do. I said copy paste. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. So, probably most of this start was muted, or not muted, or else having me rant about how I don't like, static methods and classes. But yeah, I didn't get much sleep last night. And I'm going hard in getting all the equipment set up, so I've been standardizing equipment and creating classes. But yes, that is what I'm doing. I'm just kind of dying a little bit, just dying. But I'm making quite progress even in my dying state. Anyways, okay. So back to this. Also, that's not a toggle. It's the stupidest setup. I considered putting a halo on it, but it doesn't fit me. Okay, going back into here. Okay, so I think I would get this, and then I have this. I could just do a replace. Yep. Replace. Okay. I should make scrolls too. Do. Okay, move you down there. Do the magic outline. Anything else? So I have shivs because shiv decided to be its own weapon type. Sword, axe, club, spear, staff. And then we have basic armor, heavy armor, shields, which are basically just going to be glorified accessories. And then rings, which basically going to be glorified accessories. And I suppose we should have artifacts. Or the relics. Can I reload my default colors? They can be these little orange things that sparkle. Only the main bit will have the outline. And they can be ill-defined as all good things. I'm going to have to black outline this myself. Because if I try to, it's going to get the side things, even though I don't have them selected because it's interesting that way. Okay. So I think that covers all the items. Unless I do want to have like a potion. For variety. Let's make a simple potion. It'll also be amusing to draw. It looks like a pear. Still looks like a pear. Good enough. I think this covers everything I want. I can add more later, it's just more annoying when I add more later. So back to the engine. Okay, so in here, sorry, I'm just realizing. No. Epics are purple. How far behind is the stream? Okay, a bit behind. But no. I'm just going to go off of, sorry, bird. No, it's decently behind. So, there's no way around that. Okay, so we have that. Sprite is going to be equipment tile map. So drop that in here. It's going to have the rectangle thing. It's going to be 16 by 16. So, func set equipment. New equipment. Equipment equals new equipment. If equipment dot equipment type, it is equipment type. Yes. Let's just do weapons for right now, so I can get this actually developed. Equals equipment type dot weapon. Pass. Actually, we can do a match, which is the more proper way to do this, which is just a glorified switch case statement. What do you mean? Equipment. Where am I spelling wrong? Okay, there we go. Equals that. Func get Y rarity. Equipment. If equal. Oh, nope. There we go. Nope. There we go. Equipment dot prefix does not equal null, and equipment dot suffix does not equal null. Pass. Return. Oh no, we want the first one. 0. If equipment dot prefix does not equal null, and equipment does not equal null, return 3. That is both. If equipment dot prefix equals null, return 2, or yeah, that's magical. Return 1 prefix item, suffix item. Okay, func get weapon X match weapon dot subtype. Is it subtype? It is subtype. Equipment dot weapon subtype dot sword equipment dot subtype sword axe club shiv spear staff. And just be sure, return 1, return 0, return 1, then it is staff, return 2, then it's shiv, return 3, return 3, then it's spear, return 4, and then it is club, return 5. Okay, so once we get that, if it's equipped, so var x equals get weapon x, var y equals get y rarity, update sprite, xy. Because this will be consistent for every single item. Weapons, I guess accessories is going to have the shield thing too. Yeah, accessories can have some type of shield or ring, and shields will basically always have a suffix of blocking. There might not even be a common shield type. Maybe shields should have like a 1 in 5 chance of reducing damage, something. I know from previous working with stuff, if I stack a bunch of even 0 through 1 damage reduction, you become a lot beefier. Do. I'm braining a bit. So if I have that set up, I think everything is good. And I can start dropping these on the map. Because I just need to generate it. Okay, so here's where what we do. So we have item node, and we're going to have var item list, clear entity, func clear entity, for item in item list, entity.free, and then we set that to, I think it might actually blank it out, or at least set the references to null. I don't know which is worse, but, oh no, it should be item.free. So we will test area. Whoops. Create. No. Test area. What did I call it? Test. Test level start. How did I create an entity? Okay. So what I'm going to do... func create equipment on map equipment X, Y. Pass ABC this so I can actually find it in 5 seconds. And what I'm going to need is var item icon scene equals preload item icon. Can I get that back? Equipment icon. Yes. Okay, so I get that. ABC. Get back in here. I misspelled func. Let's take a look how something is created. So entity scene. I don't need the Atlas stuff. I do need this stuff. So I don't need to even return it because I don't need to update it because I'm already passing in the equipment. Okay. Var new sprite equals equipment ABC so I can get back here because I can literally never find what I'm working with. It's item icon. Okay. Well, back button doesn't do anything, which is why I put ABC everywhere. Okay. Instantiate. So we have that instantiated. Item node. Sure. X square. Y square. Oh yeah, because you delete that because you never ever work that properly. Okay, so now that we have that set up, we can go new sprite dot because we just set this up. We can pass in set equipment. Actually, I will be right back. Give me a minute. I have returned. Whoop. Okay. I can make this a little bigger. I don't have to have the gimmick of actually holding this up anymore. There we go. Ah, lovely space. Okay, so now we have this set up. And now in order to test this, I'm going to drop in a random thing right next to the player character on the test load. So the level starts. Okay, so var test equipment equals equipment dot new. We do stupid stuff because I can't pass stuff through of make board. Yeah, let's make these all consistent because I'm going to die slowly if I have to do this. Okay, so there is no base. These are the actual items. These equipment are no longer base-based. Manually removing all base. Okay. Base. Okay, that has been removed. Go back over here. It is... Oh, I have a capital N. Of course, okay. So we make ourselves a sword. And then... What did I call it? Create... Equipment on... Okay, you're not going to help me. Okay, go away. Okay, what are you yelling at? That's been fixed 5 minutes ago. No, that one I'm literally typing right now. Okay, so test equipment. Level.good spawn. Level.good spawn y plus 1. What was that? Okay. I hit 2 buttons at once and I didn't know what they did. Oh, try to save while I can't save. I can't fucking see anything. Equipment icon, what is it called down here? Because I'm going to... Nope, it's not this one. Where is it? Equipment icon, there. Set equipment. Did I typo it? Can you bring me back to that stupid thing? Please. Why are you making this hard to actually get to? Oh. I should just fucking quit. I don't need to be butting my head with these damn things. Okay, so literally... This is literally the equipment icon. This has a function over... Yeah, please don't actually bring me to the script in here. Does it not have a script? Then what the heck is this that I've been making? Oh my god. Okay, attach script. What is this then? You know what? Okay, copy paste all of it. I don't care. Okay, make a script. Attach script. Yeah, I don't give a care. So, copy paste. How did that get detached? Okay. Stop this because I can't actually stop. There we go. Okay, so that is off by a full 8. So I can go back into here and put 8. No, wait, 6. These are 12, but these are 16 by 16. Yeah. Okay, 8. Doesn't quite look right. How does it look on here? Are these 12 by 12? No, they're 16 by 16. Ah, but we have to take into account that that is a 24 by 24. So we need a buffer of 4 on each side, so plus 4. So it is 12. I knew 12 came from somewhere. There, look. We have a sword. It's on the map. It doesn't disappear when we walk past it. So let's have enemy action will also now be item action, because that is silly. Item stuff. And item bliss if can be seen item dot square x item dot square y item dot show else item dot hide. Okay, so once we walk away from that sword, it should vanish. Is this actually being it? It never got added to item list, did it? Create, equip, add, equip. So it's right above test. There's too many things to remember, so I literally cannot remember any goddamn thing. Append. It's oh, I don't even have. Okay, new. I'm going to change that to fucking add. 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 Okay. There we go. Okay, so when I get out at range, disappears, come back in. Nice. Everything is fine. Okay, check step. Okay, let's go funk so I can actually see the dang thing. ABC this so I can come back. Funk enemy at. Okay, we'll do a thing for item at. square x equals x, and item dot square y. Nope, double equals. Okay, go back and fix that one. Equals y. Return item. Return null. Oh, that's a capital. There. Okay, copy paste because I won't remember that in 5 seconds. ABC. If result equals item at player entity dot square x, player entity dot square y. If result does not equal null, var name equals result dot, do I call it display name? Generate display text. No, get display name. Okay, result equals equipment dot display name func, or no, level text, yes, text role dot add text, a foo is at your feet dot format. I didn't make a heart. Format name. Oh, nope, I need to put a list around name because this makes sense. Did I spell format wrong? Of course I did. Okay. Calm down. Look, a sword is at my feet. Sword is at my feet. Okay. I'm thinking. So the original setup was going to be relic, invoke, equipment, or weapon invoke, armor evoke, and accessory invoke. So possibly might want to have directly into inventory a pickup command. So when I step on this, I can have something over here on the sidebar say like press Z to pick up. That could be the basic interact. Space can't be it because space eats a turn. So let's open up our sidebar and just make something stupid on it. Sidebar. Did I not call it sidebar? Okay, let's play this game again. Side GUI? Can I open up the scene? Thank you. Okay, let's down here, I guess. How about in the middle? Label. Pick up label. Okay. Pick up Z. And I have to play this stupid game of figure out overrides. Okay, it was this. And we can have it down here. Like middle of screen. Or I could have something float above the character that says pick up. I think I'll do this. And this will start hidden. Okay, so back over here. Actually, is there, nope, I just literally update this through game logic. So, update GUI, I think it was. Don't think I'll be doing it through that. I want this. I want this to go away. Side GUI dot slash, is it other slash? Yes, there we go. Dot show else hide. So let's do this again. Look, it shows up, goes away, shows up, goes away. Okay, then we go to input. I'm going to steal this. Input. If event.ecode. Why don't you show it? I don't get that. EZ. If menu mode equals normal. Null. If, do I actually have an inventory list? Player inventory. If len player inventory is greater than 9, pass, else pass. If it's greater than 9, yell player. Text scroll dot add text. Inventory is full. Drop an item. Otherwise, we will first equipment equals result dot equipment. Then we will player inventory dot append equipment, and then we will equip or result dot item list dot remove result, and then we will free result. What? Okay, how does it all screw up? Okay, let's ABC this and see how it's enemy action at the end. That's where I would free everything. Enemy action. Okay. Removed from map. Okay, so I have to do dumb stuff. Okay. Remove at. Okay, and go back and find ABC. Remove at. Nope. Capital at index. Bar index equals item list dot find result. Okay, are you happy with that? Thank you. Oop. Is it queue free? We'll have a pop-up for everything, but I don't. Okay, and I hit I, and I'm not having stuff show up in there. Inventory panel. Okay, so open panel. So if I go over here to game and I find open panel, normal inventory name list. Okay, for item in player inventory, normal inventory that append. I'm just thinking if I could pass the items now. Get display name. Half of this is old ideals of don't make things have to do more work. So I pick that up, I hit I. Here it is. Equipment type, or no. Equipment, no, I'm actually in equipment. Okay, so I can just go, equipment type dot weapon. This is where I had everything set up. Okay. Equipment type dot armor. Equipment type dot accessory. Equipment type dot scroll. Pick it up. What is it? What? Find equipment type equals... I don't have that set up anywhere in here. And that's set up off a make sword, so why is it saying it's a string now? So name is sword, equipment type is weapon. String to it, what? Oh god, I don't want to have to find this. Okay, is this, am I setting this up in... Okay, I did not set up. That's what happened. I set up some junk at top. Sword.make returning sword. There we go. Equipment type. No, that shouldn't. Because it wasn't working. It wasn't doing anything bad before. Also, I should fix that. That should be returning sword. Why is that not showing it like that? Equipment, get display name. Oh, prefix is supposed to be... I need to fix prefix later. Or I can fix prefix now. Func get prefix name prefix match prefix dot. Okay, I'm going to just take a screenshot. Or do this. Prefix display. Returning. Brutal. Defending. Shoving. Disrupting. And this will be display for suffix. Of fireball. Teleport. Fatter. Faster. Of haste. Of guard. Okay, so I get back down here. Oh, why did everything break? Okay, I don't need that anymore. So I am going to use suffix display dict. Suffix display dict. No, why don't you not like it? Did I add? And of course I can't see the right hand side of anything because nothing displays correctly. Okay, so add another one. Are you happy now? You are happy now. Okay. Boop. Boop. First, let's fix that. Key Z. Key code Z? No, I'm in the wrong thing. Okay, that's why. Key Z. Okay. Did I mix these two up? Yes, I mixed these two up. So this is the prefix one that goes down here. This is the suffix one, it goes up here. All right. Back up. And it just says sword up there. It says returning sword down there. Okay, God, I really almost wish it would just go into the one you have selected. Because I'm losing everything in all these. Nothing's ever consistent and everything's constantly changing and I have to reorientate myself. And it's getting harder every time something new is added. Let's get rid of that. Oop. do, do. Do, do, do. Okay, so update GUI should be the part where I'm looking at and it gets the item list. Update GUI. GUI update, of course. Nope, that's not what I want. No, I want it when I press I. So key I. So I press I set up inventory. Get display name for player inventory. Get display name. These should all be get display name. Okay, so I pick it up, go in here, return insert, returning sword. So that is working correctly. I could see that correctly. I don't know why equipment is showing as being selected. So in setup, I don't think I actually got that far. So let me think. The basics is swap, equip, drop. That's all I need to have. Elif menu mode equals equip menu pass elif menu mode equal and use. Gotta have use on there. Relic menu pass, and we're going to need pointers. Menu stuff bar inventory pointer equals 0 var equipment pointer equals 0 var relic pointer equals 0. This needs to remain to not be reset as it is used for relic button. Okay. It's been an hour, or it's been 2 hours. I think I'm going to take a short break because I'm going to try to extend this to be a 10, if not 12-hour stream day for this part because I need to get as much done as possible. So in order to do that, I'm going to need to sacrifice like 15 minutes every hour or 2 hours, something like that. So I will be back shortly. Okay, be right back. One more minute. I have to take care of some money things. I'll be right back. Alright, that should be good, though that was mildly frustrating. Crowdfunding thing, they decided to use their own pledge manager backend. So, of course, it didn't properly get to me, and it was basically its closing. When is it? Tomorrow? Just a few days away. No specific date. You really should say the specific date on those things. Anyways. Okay. So, we were in the middle of setting up the things, so I'm going to just screenshot this. Because I'm going to forget what exactly I called these variables in 10 minutes. Like, all I generally require an IDE to give me is what methods or variables are being passed along to the stuff. And this is so inconsistent on that it's It's more, I almost wish I could just turn it off. I'll be honest. The amount of times I wanted it to give me something, it doesn't. And the other times it just, you know, covers half the screen with effectively internal component trash that you would never use. Because I don't need to understand how to access serialization stuff all the time. But it will, you know, force me to all the time. So we get into here. We're going to make sure that inventory pointer is 0. Equipment pointer is 0. Did I misspell it, please? At least when it's in the class, you can pick up the things. I don't know if I have to type everything else better. That its inference is just kind of bad. Or what? Okay, so process, and we go into menu process. Let's drop a few items and allow us to look at them. If input dot action pressed is action just pressed, I think that is the one I want because that won't. Yes. UI down. Pass elif input dot. Please let me actually see above me. Okay, I'm just going to copy paste. I'm not even going to type. Because it'll just like, oh, here's a million other things. Let's make sure you can't tell what you're trying to replicate. Just copy paste everything. Don't try typing. elif input. Nope, I'm going to copy. I'm understanding what you're trying to teach me, engine. Just copy everything. Okay. Select. That will make menu. It's a menu modo. Menu mode equals equipped mode or menu. Yes. Also, my foot is half asleep. That isn't great, but I'll live. Okay, so that moves up. So if you hit down, no, there's tear down inventory, there's setup. So normal inventory, if len normal inventory. Okay, generate, update sub inventory, display text. Okay, so we hit down. If len player inventory equals 0, return. Nope. Yeah. Hopefully next time. And just not make a giant overworld. That's what really killed me. That ate 2 days of this entire thing was weirdness in the overworld. Okay, so that... Oh, let's bring up this text, because I knew I needed inventory pointer. Inventory pointer plus equals 1. Inventory pointer mod equals len player. I might as well make that. I'll call it im ling, because I won't misspell that. Okay. Im length. And I lost the thing I was supposed to have because I copy pasted. Okay. Let's go up there. So we update that with inventory pointer. Put ABC here and move the selection down. So honestly, one-room roguelike designs are pretty interesting. There's been themes on them. Okay, then. So let's get back into inventory panel. So we have open panel, we have get selection, we have set selection. We have move down. Okay, I want to call move down. So I can just call move down with selector equals submenu. Or with just subselector. Oh god, I can't do it that way. Well, I'm keeping track of everything in there, so I just need to call down, move down without anything being passed in, and I should be good. So back over here. Inventory panel. Dot. Move down. Pass nothing into everything's fine. Okay, get over here. Move up. Minus equals 1. If inventory pointer less than 0 equals inventory pointer plus equals. And that should work fine. Did I spell that wrong? Okay, no, I forgot this. Semicolon. Okay, so I need a second weapon to make this work. So game engine, test, start level. And I need to make a second one. And I just need to make it next to the first one so I can pick up both. Then I'll see if I can pick up 2, and that will make everything better. We'll make you X. Okay. Boop. Boop. So I have staff and sword, and I can switch between them all day long. Exactly what I need. So I could do that. Inventory panel, What the heck is it called over there? Oh god, it's so... Yes, please, let's have this. Equipment, no... That's even spelled wrong. Is that even used? With... Nope. No, that's equipped node. Okay, those are slotted in, I think. What the fuck does it look like? Submenu. Do I even use submenu? Other submenu. Do I even see the menus at the bottom when I have inventory up? No. Let's move this up so that I can see the menu. Game. Let's look at you for a second. Let's... Oh, can I not move you because everything is terrible to move in Godot? I've never run into this problems in other engines. Okay, what the fuck are you? Where are you? Okay, so it's this one. It's locked. Okay, there. It's at the top of the screen. I guess I lock you again because I might accidentally move you if I do something else. I rarely lock anything, and this is the only time I've ever had a system. No, you still cover up the bottom, the text at there. So I'll need callouts to pop up and do stuff. Can I shrink you? I don't think I can shrink you. Of course, you're locked so that I can't do anything, and I have to spend 5 minutes figuring out what the heck you even are. Can I move you? Nope. Because I grabbed the selector down here, because that's clearly what I want to grab. Okay, lock everything. I can't... I don't know who actually likes the system like this. Oh no, I can't grab anything I have selected. I have to grab everything else. It just seems maddening to you. Well, no, it is maddening. There's no getting around it. It makes no sense. Are you locked so I can't even... Okay. Oh yeah, because I'll grab through this or something. Okay. So let's hit this. Hit I. Okay, so we get the menu down there, and I could just have output show up down there instead of rigging 3 other processes to try and let the user do something. Okay. Okay. Stop fighting the engine. Just work around it. Okay, so, yeah. Okay. So, go back into here, go back into script. It's too big, can't actually work on anything. So if you hit left, things unselect. Process, there's process. Menu process, how do we force this to unselect on left hit? ABC, because I'm working here and I can't find it any other way. So back into inventory panel. So I have to make something unselect submenu or update. Yeah, I have to make it unselect. Okay, so copy paste this. And inventory selector. Is there a select set selection? Unselect all. Okay, good. Unselect all. Unselect. Oops. Unselect all. Unselect all. Unselect all. So 0 selection will be the same. Let's see over here. It is set selection. Okay. This is so stupid. I should have set this up better, but I don't. It's a little too late now. That was messing with stuff I didn't even want to play with because menuing is generally terrible. I do it better when I get money thrown at me to do it. Otherwise, it's just basic things. I'd literally rather have a menu that you just do Minecraft in. Oh, you change selection by hitting 1, and then you hit drop to confirm that you want to drop the one you have selected. Yeah, that's a good inventory. There's no reason to have 70 menus to try and figure out through that. It's not the greatest play-wise, but programming's good. Stretch. I'm sitting on my chair long, and my right leg's going to sleep. So select. Okay, go back. Go into game. Inventory. Oh, yep, please cover up when I'm trying to see what I'm selecting. Okay, thank you. It's very useful. 0 selection. I probably honestly need that on set up inventory. Okay, so if I go in here, I pick up both of these. I set this to that. I exit. I go back into here. I have it set to that. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, so game engine. Yep, I understand. You want to cover up half the screen. It's very useful. Okay, I hit left. Oh, I need unselect all. Is it unselect? Okay, let's go back over here. Unselect all. Nope, okay, there we go. Boop, boop. Okay, that moves over. Actually, that's off the top of the screen. Lovely. Let's go into here. Are you covered up? Yep, of course, you're locked because everything's locked because everything should be unselectable until you unselect. I'm just going to complain about this all day. Oh, I didn't want that. There we go. Nope, I forgot to hit save, so it won't actually show me. Okay. Inventory, equipped, relics. Sure. Pick up, inventory. I think I must have killed all the foam padding in this. Anyways, okay. That's set up, so okay. So hit left. And then elif input.is action pressed UI. Is that what I have for spacebar? Yes. No. Go away. Let me actually have half the screen. UI select. Select or copy paste. Don't even bother. Menu mode equals sub equipment menu. Inventory panel, select all. Inventory panel dot zero. Oh, okay. Go back into here and see what it actually looks like. Zero selection submenu. Okay, how's submenu spelled? Is there a space? Nope. Okay. This is why you make enums a constants. Yep, okay. So that should work. I just have to have another stupid mode because this is what all menu stuff devolves into. Okay, let's do sub equipment because I could do drop and that'll be nice. Okay, so sub menu or sub equipment menu. And I need to add another pointer, don't I? Okay, oops, that's the wrong button, or the wrong thing. Relic pointer. And update the screenshot so that I can remember what these Dane variables are, because there's too many variables at this point to actually be able to properly find anything. Okay. Set up. There we go. Sub equipment menu, and we're literally going to do this because these are always going to be 3. Okay. Copy paste because yeah. Or okay, nope. We're going to do this. Just pass down here, give me a minute. Sub menu. Is it sub menu? It's one word. Okay. This can be hard-coded. I don't care if it's bad. Okay. What? Oh, because I'm updating that. Okay. Don't need that. Don't need this in the sub menu. Don't need this in the sub menu. Sub menu. Sub menu. Actually, inventory pan. Then I have to set up all the crap for the rest of that. Go away, debugger. Okay. Bunk. Oh no, I am getting current selection. So I might just be... Might be just making more work for myself, which is to be expected. Okay. Okay, be right back. Okay. Boop, boop. Where I'm at. To pick that up. Oh, that's transferring back to that. Okay, I need to have that set to be... Go away, please. Unselect all submenu. Menu mode equals... What is it? Menu. Pick up, pick up. Okay, I need to 0. The panel, 0 selection. Actually, I don't need to 0 selection. What did I just put in there to allow me to actually set the number without... So it's selection. That updates everything. 0 selection. Let's select all. Move all. Func set number selection or selector at. Sure. And I won't need to do it. Okay, so that makes sense for me to keep track of that. So we have that be at, and this code is so wet it's the ocean. I am repeating myself a lot. Okay. So go back over here. Since we sub menu. Well, no, I need to set at and over here fine, I'll go normal. Anything to move this forward. Okay. Oh, yep, okay, what's wrong with this? Set at not declared? What did I call it? What did I call it? It's called set at. Inventory panel set at. I mean, an inventory panel, there's something called set at. Is there 2 of them? Is there 3 of them? Okay, let's pause this. Set selection at, is there, oh, nope, that's a capital A. We'll just copy and paste this back over here. Because, okay, now it is definitely, are you going to yell at me? It exists, I just made it. Oh my god, I don't want to fight this. Why is it not? It's literally right here. It's in the function. Okay, I'm going to do it the dumb way because I'm not fighting this. Okay, 0. 0 selection. Then for I for index, this is so dumb. And range pointer. I'm going to misspell inventory again, so inventory pointer. And then I just do down. No, panel dot move down. There, wow. That's so much better than what I was trying to do. Thank you, code, for forcing me to use this pattern. I can't believe I was trying to do it some other way. Okay. Should be left. Input, or hitting this does something over here. Elif pass. Well, lunch is an hour away and I should try and figure out something. Maybe I'll run to the store. Pick up something. So if sub equipment, Once again, as I said, I literally cannot tell where anything is and use this. It's so big now. Equals 0. Let's match. Let's just do a match. Okay, so we have 3 options. We have 0. We have 1. We have 2. This is equip. I might as well look over. What is this? Oh, nope, can't see it in here. Ah, yep, can't see it in here either. I'm going to just hit this, hit inventory, and see what's going on. Oh, yep, of course. Okay, let's go up to... Okay, no, put ABC down here so that I can get back to here because I'll never find it otherwise. Go up to the top, copy, paste out of here because can't... Oh, made a mistake. Have too many... Actually get back to where I'm working at. Floating around this whole damn code. Yep. This is what programming should be. Not solving things, just trying to figure out where your dang thing is. Okay, paste. There. Now can I check things? Oh, nope. Try to save when I shouldn't save. Okay. Hit I, equip, drop, use. Okay, that's all I wanted. Equip, drop, use. Okay. So, equip should be easy. No. Okay, var item equals player inventory. I'm going to misspell item and pointer, and it's going to yell at me, and it's going to make me take 10 minutes to figure out where everything is. Okay, so we got that. I don't know defaults for switches, so I guess if item dot equipment type equals equipment. Nope, of course. Okay, no, there it is at the top. Equipment type, weapon, copy paste. Don't try to type anything, he'll yell at you. System clearly doesn't want you to actually attempt to do anything. Just copy paste everything. Anything else is just going to have notifications of pop-ups because that's the way it should be. Never a moment's rest. You gotta have another notification of how your system is working, even though you don't care about it. Okay, if it's weapon, please go away, debug. I'm going to have to make things to set stuff up. Refresh equipment menu. Oh. This is not going to work right. Do I have something in here to just edit individual ones? And it's going to be so wonky too. Okay. Okay, set selection. Okay, we'll just do this. This will be fine. Set selection at text, and it will be at, and that'll be text. Okay, so back over here. Refresh equipment menu. New item. If new item equals null, refresh. Okay. Menu set weapon. We'll do these individually. So go back over here, figure out set selection at. Bar name equals blah. It could be no weapon. We just, okay. First paste this down here so I don't take 10 minutes to figure out where that is again. Okay. Does not equal null. So player no. Name equals new item dot display. Get display name? Yes. Oh, this isn't a great stream, but I'm going to get this done. Goes name. And then I have to do inventory panel, get selection at. Get selection at, and it is it's equipment, right? Or is it equip? It's equipment. Equipment 0 name. Name equals no weapon. No, it'll just be blank. If player entity dot weapon does not equal null, name equals player entity dot weapon dot get display name, and then I copy paste this, and using the inventory pointer update it, and just say this is normal. It requires okay. So that does the menu switch. So we should do the item switch now, where var temp equals player inventory. Is that correct? Okay, I'll take your word for it. I expected to yell at me in 5 minutes that, no, this doesn't exist in this context. Okay, so we got our temp. We swap that with player. Swap out player inventory. Inventory pointer equals that. And then we set that equal to temp. And that's how you do bog standard swaps that require an intermediate variable. Let's just straight up replicate this for armor and armor. This is slot 1. And we go down to armor. And of course, armor. And then copy paste. Accessory. You could do this better, but that's I don't care. It just needs to be done. What was it? No accessory? Probably spelled it wrong. Okay. Watch me use something different. Okay, so it is accessory. An accessory is slot 2. Boop. 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 Okay. So let's test this out. Menu set new item. When I am in submenu and I hit space on 0. Up, up. Did I just replicate? I just replicate. Son of a... Okay, whatever. Oh, no, I tried to save in a scene I can't save in, so it has to tell me that I can't save. After trying to save. And failing to save. Okay. Amazing. So that is working properly. Next is to use... next I'm going to set up use. Because I can just go like, hey, you can't use these. So over here. God, I'm so lost. So if we're on 3, if it equals one of these, text scroll.add text cannot use a weapon, cannot use an armor, or you know what, we can be silly. We'll just swap it. Whatever. Okay, drop. I have to make a drop function, so I'm going to put ABC here so I can find it in 10 minutes. So we go down to let's go up to top. Entity scene, item icon scene, add equipment to map. Func, drop equipment on map. Equipment, X square, Y square. Well, this can be infinite loop, but I don't think this will ever happen. Oh no, it's a bug. Item at X square, Y square. If random.rand I range 0, 1. X square plus equals... Screw it. I'm just going to do it the dumb way. It's past trying to be slick right now. And x square does not equal... Oh my god, I don't want to do this crap. Okay, no, there's going to be no spillover. There's only going to be one thing at a time. It's going to return, if this return false, otherwise, add equipment, square, y square, please, equipment. Okay. So ABC. Nope, not that one. ABC. If not, oops. Player inventory, da da da. Text scroll dot add text. The floor is too full. And else refresh equip or inventory list. Yeah, sure. First we will player inventory dot remove at index equip pointer func refresh inventory list. Okay, so for at in range len inventory player, yeah, inverse lerp, that's the thing I need. Player inventory at inventory panel dot set, what is it called? Set selection at var equip, item was player inventory at, I'll be so mad if I find out there's an enumeration set up in Go.script or Godot script, because that's just what I really want. Okay, so what's the pass in that? So it's selector. It's going to be the default one, so I'm literally going to just send nothing over. I don't care. At is at. Text is item dot get display name. And then there's something about setting lengths. Ba, 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 ba. Ba ba ba. Okay, ABC this, come back in a minute. Menu process. Set up menu. Set up inventory. So this comes in, the pointers get set up. Equipment list. Inventory 1 is the one that I care about. Do I do anything very specific to it? No. No, it's open panel on inventory panel. Okay, so open panel. Inventory selector dot update. So this sets the max list. Okay. And set other max. Max value. And boop. Boop. Value. This is so hacky. Oh boy, I do not enjoy inventory. Okay, find ABC. Okay, delete it so I don't have it again. And then inventory panel dot boop len player inventory. And then I will if inventory pointer greater or equal to len player inventory, then inventory pointer equals 0, and inventory panel dot 0 selection. Okay. Oh, there's an else block. Oh no. Oh, not a place I should be saving. Gotta tell me I can't save in a minute. Okay, there we go. Okay. What's wrong? Too many arguments for drop equipment. Or too few. Okay. That's fine. Player entity dot square x. Player entity dot square y. Did I spell square right? Yes. Okay. Are you good? Okay, so I pick this up. I go up here. I go over to drop. How is the inventory pointer at 1? Inventory. Hit space. Hit down. Oh, because in the sub menu stuff, I am still incrementing and decrementing pointer. Yes, I don't need to be doing that over here. Yeah, it should be this. Okay. Okay, so I go up here, I go drop, I hit drop. Oh no. The floor is too full. Weird. Okay. Please go away so I can actually have screen real estate to work with. If drop, otherwise... Oh. Wait. If item at square at, return false. Text scroll. Dropped. Boop. Dot format. Format. Make the stupid thing. Player. Inventory. Equipment. No, it's not equipment pointer. It is inventory pointer. That's probably why. Inventory pointer dot get display name. Nope, nope, whoops. Gotta make that a function. Call. Boop. Okay, nothing. Pick up. Drop. Sword's still there. Okay, why is it firing it off multiple times in a row? It says action just pressed. Okay, so I pick it up, go over, I hit drop, and it fires it off twice. That's still inventory pointer from player inventory. Does it even get... It gets into here, but it doesn't do anything proper. Okay. Pick up. Drop. Yeah, it never gets there. Yet it's putting everything down there. Like, what's going on? Okay, what's going on in this thing? So we are here. Oh, it's not returning. Return false. Return true. Please, let me go up. Okay, thank you. Everything's so annoying. Okay, let's remove that and... Yep, I wanted to select the rest of that, just so I could hit space on accident and delete it all. Boop. Boop. Okay, after drop, it should put you in the main menu. Menu mode equals menu. And it should, zero selection, is it? Let's just go over here and look at it. Get rid of that so I can actually see what this. It is zero selection and it's sub-menu with a space. Zero selection sub-menu. Well, underscore. Drop. Okay, it's not sub-menu. What is it in here? The magical, slightly different version. Oh, no, there is no space. Why do I think there's a space? Put it underneath the debug window. They won't need to look at the thing they're coming back to and on that line about. Drop. Okay, so I pick up both of these. And I drop. Okay, so I should also zero inventory dot zero selection normal. Go pick up. Drop. Drop. Oh. Okay, there we go. Now it won't freak out as much. So I drop this, comes back over here. Then I drop that. Nope, can't because the floor is too full. Drop that. I hit equip, nothing happens. Boop, boop. So I drop that. Okay, I need to have a refresh inventory list. There we go. Go back to menu. Pick up, pick up. Drop, drop. Okay, I need to update whatever is updated off the description when everything is set up. Nope. Set up inventory, set up inventory. Okay, refresh. There we go. Boop. There we go. Drop. Okay, and that is working properly. Oh. Yep, 1 second. Drop. Drop staff. And those have been dropped. Everything functioning normal, just took 4 hours, almost 4 hours to, you know, do basic item management, because inventory stuff is trash. It always has been, always will be. That said, I'm almost to the state where I can start dropping random items into the place. And I think I might part 2 this stream because at noon I'm going to go get food and I'm going to take an hour to do that. Then I will come back. Maybe an hour and a half. Depends how the mood strikes me. So I think that works. Boop, boop, da. Boop, boop, da. Boop, boop, da. Yeah, okay. So let's keep it weapons for now. And then we can test weapon drops on enemies, and I can start to slowly set up the enemy thing. So let's have drops on enemies, and we'll set up the basic red guard. I think living flame. I think it's set red guard. Okay. Okay, so remove. It's going to be a melee target. Okay, please go smaller. Okay, so down here, if defender, remove from map. Okay. If entity.weapon does not equal null, and entity.weapon.drop, is it drop rate? It's drop rate. Drop rate does not equal 0. Var random.rand. Let me put it past there. What don't you like about that? What's unlikable about that? Okay, it's fine. Var roll equals random.rand if or rand I range 1 to drop rate. Actually, if this equals 1, or let's just bake it in. Equals 1. Okay, we'll pass so that we can get all the red to go away, so we can actually see if things are being put in poorly or not. Because the best part about IDEs is obscurifying what you're actually doing compared to what you think, to what it thinks you should be doing. Okay. So if we get that, our equipment, or let's just call it God. I don't care. God equals that. And I'm going to set weapon equal to null. I don't know if it's going to try to remove from other places when it's freed. And I don't remember what equipment drop was called. Add equipment on map. Okay. Add equipment to map. No. Equipment. Add equipment on map. Got entity.square x, entity.square y. Okay. Don't care. If it doesn't hit the map, it doesn't hit the map. So we got the red guard in here, and they have a chance to drop their sword, which is 1 out of 6. Let's go over here. Red? Set as red guard. Oh, yes, truly as. Okay, let's drop the stupid as. Okay. I'm surprised save worked. Okay. Let's run on over. Will you drop something? No. Will you drop something? No. No? Ah, weapon. Okay, we got drops. Okay, so we have drops. Drops work. The main things that we have going on that I should do on debug day can go to debug day. So, randomization, I guess, is what I want to have next. But I don't even have anything working on there. So, let's go into Melee and start adding some of the stuff. Func Melee. Oh, I'm in Entity. My brain is going. Okay, if I'm going to go into Entity and put all this stuff in. Up here, all at the top, all this fun stuff. Func. Nope, nope. Has bonus damage. We'll just call that bonus damage. Var out equals 0. Return. If weapon does not equal null and weapon dot prefix. Is it called prefix? Room. Yes. Prefix equals equipment dot prefix dot damage plus out plus equals 1. If is that good? Thank you. Do the same. This is how you draw your code out. For item in weapon, armor, accessory. There, look, that code is dry. Okay. bonus defense is similar, but prefix equals defense plus. Okay, so we go back into game. Plus. No, wait, where's damage? Damage equals. Then over here, damage plus equals attacker dot bonus damage. Did I call it bonus damage, or did I call it get bonus damage? Nope, I called it bonus damage. Okay, and then for index in range, defender dot bonus defense reduction plus equals 0 to 1. So it's a 50% chance it adds 1. And in fact, I'm going to do the equipment and add in accessory subtype shield ring. Punk as shield. Return accessory does not equal null, and accessory dot subtype equals equipment dot accessory dot subtype dot shield. So if it has a shield, if defender dot has shield we get another 0 to 1. So if you have a shield, if you have a defending shield of blocking, you can get, or of guard, you can get a few to that. Also on entity, Bunk has shove for item in all these. If item does not equal null, and item dot prefix equals equipment dot prefix dot push. What do I call it? Dot knockback. Knockback, return true. Return false. Okay. This is the tedious stuff I'm fine with. Everything makes sense, and I don't have to refigure out the wheel in order to make data move from one place to other. Okay, so if shove, if defender, if attacker dot shove or attacker dot has knockback. Yeah, has knockback. Okay, that's what it'll be called. Has knockback is basically overpowered because it means that you can fend off forever an enemy, as long as it doesn't do weird things. That said, I should probably make the boss double move, allow it to do an attack after it moves. Boss, basic, boss move towards, bunk, equals 1. There's an update list. Nope. I don't think there's anything that calls update list on here. Do attack equals false. If do attack melee target attacker is entity player entity. Okay, let's move back up here. Do basic move, don't need it there. Double move. True. True. Because that's just a basic attack at this point. So most bosses can have a double move to counter shove strategies, and that will balance a little bit out. Shove is still completely overpowered. Unless I want to give it like a 50-50. But this seems silly. It'll make the Eldritch Brute a little more brutal. Speaking of which, the meme has to come to an end. Press F. Because, yeah, now it's 1/5 of the time it is walking up and smacking you. If it's one thing out of range. With double moves being attacks, I think I will... This fucker's going to be mobile. Crazed Giant is also mobile. I'll make one of these shove. Yeah, he will just move all over the place. He can be a little slow. He's a giant crystal thing. The bloated one is slow and does not have double move, but he does other things. The living flame is not part of these. I thought I had one more. Okay, Flame Mage. Flame Mage is a ranged attacker. He does not need help. Yeah, the melee bosses need to have double move to combat Shove. Shove is good for basic enemies and a little bit of, you know, boss manipulation, but you shouldn't rely on it to smack bosses to death and then to have them step back up to you to get smacked again. I should make a joke one called the Butcherer that just literally just shoves you back. All its attacks are shoves. All its attacks... No, it just has shoves set up and it has everything as double move. That would just instantly kill you. There's no way about it. Okay. So that's all set up. And I think I shall end the stream for now, and I will come back in an hour or so with a part 2 because I need to pick up a little bit of food and need to make sure I can work for the rest of the day, so I need this hour-long break. Okay then. With that, I shall see you in a while. Thank you for watching, even though I've been kind of grumpy at the code, but hey, programming. Alright.